The war veteran's most prolific spokesperson and acclaimed military tactician, Blessed Geza, is announced perhaps the most precise time update over his movement sea operations. Sarabana mashuka tunakuti aiwa Bombshell Geza uya panapa achirevhila his next step and timing. Remember subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa the latest update mudani wa mchenzi. Comrade Bombshell Geza, who speaks for Zimbabwe's liberators platform alongside his youthful junior comrade Nyoka Yamabono, also left off suggesting that he is on the run from Emerson Mnangagwa. Speaking exclusively to Zim on Saturday, Blessed Ugesa continued to chuckle on during the over 7-minute conversation. Is this how a person who is in the runs appears? He asked Simba Chikanza. They are the ones preparing to set off, he added. He then clearly laid out the timing of the next step. Anytime of now, I think in the next 2 days. Do not be alarmed at all. We are on top of the situation, 100%, he said. He also laughed off fears that Mnangagwa has got larger gangs of armed robbers beyond his recently announced fake inventor, Masoji Kumbutso, who could cause harm on his Geza Liberators platform. Even if he has them, how huge is their number? He asked. The development comes at a time when Mnangagwa was described as a former president in a Friday speech by his own girlfriend and the Women's League Secretary, Magochino Mona. Ndo mashoko anobuda pana mtuna aiwa vana Blessed Geza but the latest update vanouya vachitoya chitokweshina chiti aiwa kunyange ndichinzi ndiri kutsvagwa ndiri on Iran ndo maapiro andinoita here ende anoshamisika kutoti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe ari kumutsvaka panguva ino anotoseka achitoti aiwa anytime from now vakomana weare going to set things up achiuya panapa acharo mashoko achiti aiwa taneta nevakomana ava now they must resign and go. Tunze mafundo emo todi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi muna comment section medu. So subscribe or like